So in this video, you'll learn how to install an always-on display on your Samsung Galaxy A36. So the first step is to go to the Galaxy theme store. And to do this, you can just open the settings app, and then you want to scroll and select themes and tap on it. Once you're in the Galaxy theme store, you then want to navigate to the section labeled AODs and tap on it like that. Then you can see the different always-on displays that are available for you to choose from. So look for your preferred option, whether it's black, animated, a video, all sorts of things. Then you want to tap on it to select it. You can see the preview and how it looks like. If you don't like it, you can always just go back and look for a different theme that you'd prefer to use. Once you've selected it and you like the one that you've found, just tap on download and wait for the theme to be downloaded onto your phone. Once it's been downloaded, just tap on apply. And then if you don't have your always on display enabled, then I'll remind you to enable it so that you can actually be able to use the new theme that you've just downloaded. And then again, just go back, tap on apply, confirm that you wish to apply the always on display by choosing the clock and image or the image only. And then once you're done, just tap on done to save and apply the changes. And so now whenever you glance at the always on display of your A36, you should see your brand new installed always on display. If you have any questions or comments about this process, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.